Hey guys, so I am just putting on my container necklace today, so I thought I'd make a quick video to show you how I use it and how you can use it too. The container necklaces come in kind of like this cylinder shape, and the bottom part actually screws off from the top. So the top is where you're gonna put your pads. You can drop your oil on these pads before you put them in here, or you can just drop the pads right inside. I put 3 because it just fills it up, and then I have like a few colors in there that look really cool. And then I actually put the oil in this. So as you can see, there's a little hole on the top, and this top part screws off. Okay. And then I am going to put my immune blend in here because we know we could all use it right now. So I normally put like 6 to 8 drops in the bottom of this. It'll probably hold like maybe 10 to 12. And then I just screw the top of the bottom back on, and then I put it back together. And then every time I flip this upside down, the oil is going to come out of that bottom part and saturate the pads that I have on there. And then I will just put it on, and I can smell my oils throughout the day. It smells so good. And this blend specifically is a really great blend for immune support. And then I also really love to use this to clean the air and really just make sure the air around me and that I'm breathing is clean, but it's also helping to support and keep my immune function and my immune system healthy. If you guys want to check this out, you can actually get wholesale prices on our jewelry or our oils. You guys can check that out in the description below. But there is my tutorial. I'm gonna put this on, and I'm gonna take my oils with me today. Bye guys.